Hey everyone, we are in LA, Los Angeles. We were supposed to be attending a taping of The Ranch, as shown on Netflix, as the audience members. We had tickets for the show. The studio is behind us. It's called Sunset Bronson Studios. But unfortunately, LA traffic and freeways and traffic jams and all that, we just took a little bit longer. Plus, getting out of Las Vegas and packing up just took too long, and we just didn't make it in on time. So, if you can get free tickets. They're available at TV Audience. You can Google it. Tickets are free. They're under your personal name, and if you show up on time, then you can line up and be in the audience and watch a taping. Otherwise, if you're not here on time, then they give it away to someone who's on standby, and they take your seat. So, yeah, otherwise we should have been there. And the big building behind us is, as you can see, the Netflix building. So that's where all your movies come from, for those who watch Netflix.
Is that the logo?
Yep. And we are standing on Sunset Boulevard and Van Ness Avenue. So I'm not sure if you can see Sunset, but it's a very busy street. Hollywood Boulevard is not too far away from here as well. But otherwise, the studio behind us does a lot of Netflix productions, and you can be audience and sitting in. So otherwise, we're gonna try for see if we can get into another show. Now that we're here, don't have to rush it. Like I said, LA is just headaches with traffic. It's just a crazy city. It's so many cars, and there's just not a good transit system, no subway, and it's just cars, freeways, and traffic jams, and everything like that. But otherwise, we're in LA, so catch you later. Good morning. Today we are at Venice Beach in California. You can see the beach. It's early morning. We snuck in the RV into the parking lot before the attendants arrived. Otherwise, RVs and trailers, and they're not allowed in these small parking lots. But we got in and just enjoying a walk along the beach. It's really loud. Hey, so we are in Los Angeles. This morning we were at Venice Beach, and then we moved to Santa Monica and got busy over there, so we decided to come to the airport area. I think it's called Playa del Mar. There's a little grass green spot behind us. The Los Angeles airport is right over there, and the planes just come right overhead and head west towards the Pacific Ocean. So you can hear planes just constantly going above us, but on the other side, it's a nice beach, and it's less, I guess, used. And I don't know, maybe people don't know about it, but it looks like we have a beach all to ourselves. Yeah, if you do come out here, I recommend checking this out. We were here last time. My dad and I, my dad was recording all those airplanes taking off, enjoying it. So. But otherwise, just relaxing on the grass and watching the airplanes go by. Matter of speaking, one's going right above us here. Not sure if you can see it, but it's going right above us. Good morning. We are in LA, and we are at the Bradbury Building in downtown LA. And you can see around. There we go. Beautiful architecture. And this building was actually one of the film locations for Blade Runner, and Blade Runner is one of my favorite movies. And they do, I guess you can, it's open to the public. You can check around just to the main, or the first level floor. There's the elevators, you can see. And here's a little write-up. So yeah, one of the most iconic buildings here, and really cool to be here.
those human things.
Kids, you don't get too far. Legs in the recliner for jumping, dancing.
Under the sea, darling, it's winter. Down where it's winter, take it from me. Up on the shoulder, out in the sun, they stay away. Worse of fate. One day when they just get hungry, yes, you got me a big plate. Under the sea.
I admit that in the past I've been a nasty. They weren't kidding when they called me Bella Wish.
That's all to shame to buy. You're the
That's my favorite kind of story, right?
It's just a spinner.
This ought to put you out of contrition. This is gonna hurt you. It's gonna hurt me.
Yes, I'm here.
I believe in those stories, Miss Turner.
This is the best red card in the whole Midwest.
Their home of Frozen. It is a 1-hour Broadway-style show, 3 and 5 o'clock show. Their doors open about an hour. Each attraction will close at 4 and reopen at 5 to become
everyone. This is our last night at the Disneyland California Adventure Park. Here we are on the Zephyr. Everything's closing down. Had lots of fun. Check out our videos. Yay! Welcome back, Please remain seated with those seatbelts. The audio cut out on this part, so I'm doing a voiceover. Here we are at the CBS Studio Center in Studio City, just outside of Hollywood. Due to traffic jams on the Los Angeles freeways, we missed an audience taping of CBS TV show called Fam. I thought we had enough time from our origin, but you need to allot 30 minutes to an hour for travel sometimes. Driving in Los Angeles can be a nightmare. I have a love-hate relationship with LA. Here's the ticket for tonight's taping from tvtickets.com, and it's free. So Fam stars Nina Dobrev, who plays Clem, a recently engaged woman who has to deal with her rebellious teenage sister who dropped out of high school and ends up moving in with the couple. Nina is famously known for playing Elena and Catherine on Vampire Diaries, which is one of Carly's favorite shows. And Nina also had a role as Mia Jones on Degrassi, The Next Generation. She is, after all, Canadian. Her co-star is Tony Bell, whose famous role on TV show called Disjointed. Honestly, I've never heard of Fam until now, but really it was the experience of being in a studio audience that we were excited for. I've only seen behind the scenes of how live audience sitcoms are made, and we both wanted to be part of it. Classic westerns such as Gunsmoke and The Wild Wild West were shot here, and so was Gilligan's Island. Other popular sitcoms such as The Mary Tyler Moore Show, WKRP in Cincinnati, and The Bob Newhart Show were shot in one of the 22 sound stages. More recent sitcoms include Spin City, Malcolm in the Middle, That 70s Show, Will and Grace, Seinfeld, Third Rock from the Sun. So once again, bad misfortunes means we couldn't experience the TV magic of being in the studio audience. Hopefully next time, Los Angeles, don't let us down. We will be back.